this one nice.
Lemon rice tea, good for immune system, for slimming body and skin power. Pure Bali coffee, good for headache, for memory. This is avocado coffee.
This one memory loss one.
Mango stem tea, good for antioxidant, for anti-cancer. Saffron tea and turmeric, good tea for digestion, good for anti-inflammation. Hot chocolate, good for happiness, for everything. Vanilla coffee, mochaccino coffee, coffee with chocolate together. And this is coconut coffee and also ginseng coffee, good coffee for energy.
Yeah, we all like.
You can try all. Yeah, which one do you like? You can buy some later in the shop.
Rice.
This is any type of coffee bean. Arabica also robusta.
Let's come through the
Both meat together.
Yeah. Wow.
They don't have stuff anything. After roasting, you can do it.
Yeah.
It's a good coffee. It's the longest coffee. Of course. So we need to clean before we roast it. So we clean many times with the water, but then first we do wash with the boiling water to kill the bacteria of the coconut.
Yeah.
It both coffee bean, Arabica. But here we eat the fruit also, papaya. Only coffee bean, then the candy.
So actually this animal basically eat the fruits, any fruits. But because in this area a lot of coffee plantation, they also like to eat coffee. But because the coffee hard, the coffee bean, in the stomach cannot destroy. Only eat the skin, you know. Yeah.
That's so nice, but when you know the process, I think it makes you interesting.
We know it the dirty one. We will clean it. Yeah.
Clean.
Boil with the hot
We
water.
take the bean inside.
Yeah.
So that the
Yes.
cell, the two double cell.
Yeah. So don't imagine we drink the the dirty one. Yeah. If not by explanation like this, people will think about oh how dirty is it. And this cocoa, yeah? Cocoa. Yeah. Later also have cocoa coffee. The process here. Yeah. Ani, you can sit down here and try roasting. No, for photo only. Photo video. Action only lah. No? Then you're gonna roasting like this and the picture. No problem.
You want?
Try roast.
What do I have to do?
Move around.
So after roasting the coffee, we process this. Yeah. After done roasting, they put here. After roasting the coffee, we'll do this.
Then become like that.
Yeah.
Real.
So like this.
Oh, henna. Can I try?
Yeah. Can take picture. Action. Take picture.
Half nila.
No, the right thing is
One hand.
in here, in the middle.
One hand.
Straight like that. Yeah. Try. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Like this. Like this.
Machine.
Like this. You can try, no problem.
I never eat rice.
Ayo. Now you learn.
Then so after we run it,
After from here we put this. Image this.
People do one, not machine do one.
Yeah, manual.
no machine do. If ready to drink now, like instant coffee.
Filter before.
No, you can filter, but we don't use the filter here. Just we take the powder 2 teaspoons in the cup and hot water, and then drink it. This is sama coffee, no monkey coffee.
No, no, she cup.
Okay, I will give you a complimentary the taste.
Okay, go. Warm coffee.
Ya, ini tempat prosesnya pembuatan kopi. Di sangan di sana, di roasting.
Test one ah?
Yeah, we will have a
Oh, test coffee ah?
tester for the coffee and tea, and then after you test it, you can choose which one you like.
Oh,
If you like it, you can buy. If not, no problem.
okay.
Yeah,
But
because
like,
here is
we all
the
like drink coffee.
you should
But
try
normal
all
coffee,
of them. Yeah, we have normal coffee, Bali coffee, so many. Yeah,
I like drink long
ya kopi Bali aja. Pak Antoro kental manis ya, sip semua. Ya biasa. Ya oke, we can sit down here. Wait. Let's.
This one nice, okay,
Lemongrass tea, good for immune system, for slimming body and skin tone. Pure Bali coffee, good for headache, for memory.
This one,
This is avocado coffee.
This one memory roll one.
Mango stain tea, good for antioxidant for anti-cancer. Saffron tea and turmeric, good tea for digestion, good for anti-inflammation. Hot chocolate, good for happiness and for everything. Vanilla coffee. Mochaccino coffee, coffee with chocolate together. And this is coconut coffee and also ginseng coffee, good coffee for energy.
Yeah, we all like.
You can try all. Yeah, which one do you like? You can buy some later in the shop.
Rice coffee.
You want coffee now?
No.